Toyota's insane new engine shocks Elon Musk. The engine in all its manifestations is just one of the amazing inventions made possible by technological breakthroughs. Over a century has passed since the invention of the engine, and numerous businesses have made countless models that enhance earlier ones. For many years, the globe has been able to drive magnificent cars built by Toyota Motor Corporation. The powerful engine that powers these cars, which has been used in several iterations throughout the history of the company, is what makes them so fantastic. Hey guys, welcome back to EV Zone, where we tell you the latest and trending news about electric vehicles. So stay tuned till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any information. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. Every automaker has their own distinctive style. People frequently associate Toyota with superior quality when they hear the name. The fact that the business is a Japanese brand is merely one factor. It has developed a reputation for excellent manufacturing and after-sales service over the past few decades. Here's a closer look at the elements that made this success possible. Did you know that 80% of Toyota cars and trucks from 20 years ago are still in use? A product's consistency and quality is referred to as reliability. Some of the most appealing features are highlighted in the official Toyota engine specifications. These cars are reliable and dependable. As stated in its motto, the company is dedicated to valuing each customer's one and only vehicle. According to Mojo Motors, the Toyota vehicles are the most durable, with an average lifespan of over 200,000 miles. It appears that the business will not compromise quality at any expense. To guarantee the intended outcome, its management system is dependent on a variety of cutting-edge strategies over the years. There is innovation in every new model. Continuous improvement is the company's main priority. Its success on a global scale is based on quality. Despite not always being the best option for U.S. buyers, these cars are now well engineered. In 1966, Toyota began bringing its vehicles into the USA. Due to the peculiarities of the local roadways, the first models to hit the market were not very dependable. At the time, the speed limit in Japan was 50 to 80 kilometers an hour, whereas in the U.S., vehicles could reach speeds of more than 80 miles per hour. As a result, the first automobiles faced problems with their engines and axle bearings. The brand made wise use of the early revenue by investing it in development. The engines in Toyota cars are among the most durable in the business and have a very lengthy lifespan. This is because the business takes great care in both its design and production processes. Prior to the car being supplied to the customer, the quality management procedures guarantee that any flaws are found and fixed. Seikichi Toyoda, an inventor, created the groundwork for Toyota Industries and the company's dedication to Kaizen, or continuous improvement, when he successfully invented the automatic loom. With the spirit of the inventor at the core of the company, the Toyota name has been practically associated with excellence and quality and innovation for nearly a century. After the founding of Toyota Automatic Loom Works Company Ltd., now known as Toyota Industries Corporation, it only took 8 years for Toyota to produce its first engine, the A-type engine for automobiles, in 1934. Toyota Motor Corporation manufactures a family of inline-4 internal combustion engines called the A-Series, which range in size from 1.3 liters to 1.8. The engine blocks and cylinder heads for this series are made of cast iron. The cylinders are Siamesed in order to minimize the engine's length. When Toyota wanted to create a completely new engine for the Toyota Tercel, the K engine's replacement, in the late 1970s, the development of the series got underway. With a contemporary design, it was intended to achieve good performance and fuel efficiency while also emitting few pollutants. The 4AGE, a DOHC engine with 4 valves per cylinder that was one of the earliest Japanese mass-produced engines, is part of the A-Series. A later variant of the same engine was one of the first 5-valve per cylinder engines ever made. But how does an internal combustion engine work? It has been refined since the start of the auto industry and is used in almost all automobiles. They function by converting heat energy, produced by burning fuel, into mechanical energy by rotating a piston, which then rotates the crankshaft, a component attached to the car's gearbox and wheels, letting the vehicle to drive. Gas is released through the exhaust pipe when the piston rotates from top to bottom. This procedure occurs a few times every second. The model determines this. Both gasoline and diesel engines are available. Engines work the same way, but are different in how the gasoline is ignited. In a diesel engine, the high air temperatures allow the fuel to burn when both are in touch, as opposed to the spark plug that ignites the mixture of air and fuel in a gasoline engine. And let's take a look at Toyota's best engine so far, 2JE GTE Inline 6. From 1993 to 1998, this engine was only offered in Toyota Supra models, but while it was in operation, it helped the Supra become a well-known car. With an oil-cooled system, this engine is designed in a straight-six fashion. With the twin-turbo power, the vehicle can travel at a higher speed, and the iron block design of the CAT works in concert with the heat generated by the energy to keep the car from overheating. The 4U GSE FA20 Flat 4. With a flat rectangular chassis and pistons arranged horizontally on either side, this engine has the shape and style of the distinctive boxer engine. In terms of performance, the engine includes an aluminum block and cylinder heads that tolerate heat and make the car lighter, allowing it to run faster. The machine has a Subaru design, but it was originally utilized in the Toyota 86 and the Scion FRS. 7M GTE Inline 6. A straight six engine with a sideways position inside the car's hood that Toyota manufactured is known as the Toyota M engine. The 1960s to the 1990s saw the production of the M. While these designs didn't remain as long in Toyota's history as some other key engines, they were nonetheless effective. Even though the straight six engine had a lot of power, its heavy cast iron construction nevertheless made it a fantastic engine for withstanding heat. 4A GE Inline 4. In the history of Toyota engines, this type stands out thanks to an intriguing combination of materials. Despite using aluminum cylinders in a four-straight configuration, the engine featured a cast iron block. A strong engine block with quick-moving cylinders was produced by combining these materials, which could withstand extreme heat. R36V V8. Strong turbocharged engines are available in the R36V engine family. The fact that this engine is a V8 contributed to its great performance, particularly when it came to its twin-turbo power. If you have the appropriate parts for the replacement, this model will make a fantastic piece for switching to a Toyota engine. Even though automakers have been announcing a ton of hybrid and electric vehicles, they are also working to make internal combustion engines as efficiently as they can. And Toyota now has the opportunity to enhance its engines, such as by enhancing the 2.5-liter inline-4 power cylinders and thermal efficiency in the new Camry. This exact engine is the upgraded 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder that made its debut with the 2018 Camry, while they've also made changes to the 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder. Toyota's using its new technique for improving thermal efficiency to a series of dynamic force engines. The modifications are intended to improve thermal efficiency, or more simply, the amount of usable energy the engine extracts from burning fuel. Over the years, the Toyota Corporation has produced several outstanding automobiles, but without the engines that drive them, their vehicles wouldn't be as good as they are. And that ends our episode for today, friends. We hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below your own thoughts, and don't forget to like today's video. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.